thanks for staying with us on Mirror Now. In fact, starting off with breaking news that's coming in. Same-sex marriage case in the top court today in SC. In fact, a notice to center seeks recognition of same-sex. Second SC notice to the center. So that's the big breaking news that we're tracking at the moment, where same-sex marriage case to be heard in the top court today. For more on this, cutting across to my colleague Harish, who joins us on the phone lines. Harish, good afternoon. Give us more details with the fact of the same-sex marriage case to be heard in the Supreme Court.
Yes, that's right. The bench led by the Chief Justice of India, DY Chandrachud, has issued a notice to the centre on a fresh petition which has sought recognition of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act. Remember, earlier on November 25 also, Supreme Court had issued notice to the centre on a separate, different plea by another same-sex couple, the Hyderabad-based male couple, and sought centre's response in 4 weeks. Supreme Court has also issued notice on a transfer petition seeking transfer of a similar petition pending in Delhi High Court to the Supreme Court. And very significantly, when senior advocate Anand Grover sought live streaming of the hearing in this matter, whenever it is taken up, as many people are interested in this subject, Chief Justice said, let the matter come up for hearing. Then when it comes up for hearing, then we'll consider whether this matter should be live streamed or not. Anand Grover very vehemently said that this is a matter of public interest and many people are interested in this matter. So it should be live streamed, and therefore now the Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre on the petitions. The petitioners submitted that the Special Marriage Act is ultra-vires the Constitution of India to the extent that it discriminates between same-sex couples and opposite-sex couples, denying the same-sex couples both legal rights as well as the social recognition and status that flow from the marriage. Chief Justice had on that day noted that these were people with valuable constitutional rights and these are matters of life. They also submitted that it's ultra-vires of the so also reminded Supreme Court that Supreme Court has always protected the right of intercaste and interfaith couples by a person of their choice, and in fact the Supreme Court had decriminalized gay sex, and also at the same time in Puttaswamy's judgment it had underlined the right to privacy, and citing these cases the petition has been filed. So Supreme Court has for the time being issued notices center on a fresh petition filed by a same-sex couple, and more importantly, the Chief Justice also said that the request for live streaming of these proceedings will also be considered once the matter is taken up for hearing. Back to you.
All right, Harish, I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast and breaking that down for us. But at the moment, moving on to more news that we're tracking.